no fun.
What do you want me to do?
Let's
You
see.
taking my picture, I break your face.
Hey, you know, I found out that you can play it back on this, and you can see it in here.
That's what I was doing.
Yeah, isn't that
Me
neat?
and Dad found out that like last night.
We were doing that last night.
Isn't that neat?
Okay. I'm taking a picture of the back of my bald head.
Yeah. When are you going to get a wig? You said you're going to get a wig soon. Oh, Dad, you're embarrassed. Come on, I know you're going to get a wig, huh? Yeah. Ooh, who's that there? That's Eileen. Oh, she's going to take the camera for me.
Wrong. Your pinky isn't supposed to be sticking out.
This is Jennifer. Hi, Norman. How you doing? I just wanted to let you know that this is something that I hope you enjoy, and if you don't, then I don't know what I'm going to do.
You're going to send the whole tape to him?
Yes, the whole tape. We're going to watch it tonight, aren't we?
Okay, but then
Ooh,
you may
Eileen,
not-
the camera person.
Jen, you may not see this tape again. When you make a copy.
I'm going to, well, Norman will keep it, and if I want to see it again, then he'll...
Oh, I'd like to have a copy of this.
You would like to have a copy of this? Okay. You're wasting the tape. Hi.
Spending $20 for this, I expect something.
Here, can I see it? 20. Right, Eileen. This is our phone, okay? See that? It has memory, and if you look real close, you probably can't, but your name is right here, Norman, but that phone isn't good anymore. Right there. Thanks, Gabe. And this is our bulletin board that we put all our garbage on, and this is our calendar. Nice picture this month, May. And, oh my.
Jen, wait. You should
have
go and
pictures of the
film
backyard?
everyone's altar in everyone's room.
I don't know if Norman would like that, Eileen. Oh, look at that hair. She's so artistic.
She promised not to do this.
How did... Okay. Eileen, how did work go today? How did work go, Eileen? How did work go? Eileen, are you gonna talk to... Eileen, is that you? Eileen? Gosh, Eileen, you've changed. You look so different.
She is.
I promised, but I told you I wouldn't take your picture, but I didn't say when. Excuse me, I'm going out to see my baby. She's outside. We're going to hunt down my baby and see how she's doing. Whoop.
Yeah.
Good.